I've got some fresh insights for you. You know, the decision to buy a home can be a tough one, especially if you're bouncing back and forth between new construction or an existing home. But don't worry, this video is all about that. I'm a real estate broker and my team and I have sold hundreds of homes and we've seen it all. My goal is to make your decision-making process a whole lot easier. So whether you're wondering if it's the right time to buy, or if you should wait, or if you're torn between a new construction home or an existing gym, this video is here to guide you every step of the way. So let's dive in and uncover the secrets to help you make the best decision for your dream home. Let's go. So now for the cons of purchasing an existing home. Now here are the 6 key considerations that could impact your decision and your budget. Number 1 is hidden issues. The wear and tear on older homes may not be immediately apparent. Yeah, we got some, peeling on the cabinetry, like a crack on the floor right there. Just older appliances. It's crucial to have a thorough inspection to identify potential problems like old wiring or plumbing issues. Addressing these issues can be costly and may impact your renovation plans. Additionally, older homes might require upgrades for energy efficiency, such as insulation and windows, and neither one of those are cheap. Number 2, insurance costs. Older homes, especially those 15 years plus with an aging roof, may result in higher insurance premiums. Insurance carriers often look for specific features like extra nails in the roof trusses during a wind mitigation inspection, age and condition of the windows and doors, whether it's a frame or concrete block home. If shutters are not up to code or missing, all of those things will definitely affect insurance costs. Number 3, pest concerns. Pest infestations such as termites or wood-eating insects can cause significant damage to the interior framing of a home. They're actually concrete-eating termites, so block homes are not immune to infestations. Potential testing is essential to address these issues promptly. Additionally, prior water damage may have gone unnoticed, leading to mold growth that requires professional testing and remediation, adding to the expenses. This is a big concern here in Florida because we've got a humid climate and mold can easily grow. Permits and zoning. Renovations or additions to existing homes may require more expensive permits and fees due to local building ordinances. Zoning regulations might even restrict certain modifications, making it impossible to expand the structure. These costs are often not mentioned during the sales process and can quickly add up. Furthermore, updating a home can and most likely will increase its value, potentially leading to higher property taxes. Energy efficiency. Older homes often come with outdated windows and doors, making them less energy efficiency. You need to invest in window and door replacements, or you might need to, which can be costly. Maintenance expenses. Existing homes may require more frequent and costly maintenance or repairs compared to newer homes. It's crucial to assess the age and condition of the home before finalizing your purchase. While a home warranty can cover appliances, plumbing, and electrical systems, it typically doesn't include structural issues. Factor in these potential expenses when you're evaluating the investment value of a home. Listen guys, I'm not trying to scare you away from buying an existing home. My goal is just to help you make an informed decision that suits your needs and budget when relocating to Sebastian or Vero Beach. So let's move on to the pros and see if any of them help you change your mind. All right, let's talk about the benefits of an existing home. While there are considerations to keep in mind when purchasing an existing home, there are also several advantages that make them appealing options. Here are 7 pros for choosing an existing home. Room to renovate. Existing homes offer the potential for upgrades and renovations, allowing you to personalize the space according to your preferences. Whether it's updating paint colors, or installing new flooring, or upgrading appliances and countertops, you have the flexibility to create your dream home. You can even add outdoor amenities like a fire pit, or a swimming pool, or an outdoor living area. Negotiation opportunities. When buying an existing home, you have the advantage of negotiating the price directly with the seller. Unlike purchasing from a builder with fixed prices, there may be room for negotiation, especially if the house has been on the market for some time or requires some work. This can potentially lead to a better deal or even a discounted price. If you're not adverse to making upgrades and updating the property, you'll be able to take advantage of sweat equity. Faster move-in timeline. Compared to building a new home from scratch, Purchasing an existing home typically offers a faster move-in timeline. Once the closing process is complete, you can move right into your new home without waiting for construction to be finished. If you absolutely want to purchase a new construction, but you're savvy and not afraid of taking some risk, you could purchase an existing home, make a few improvements, and either sell it or rent it out, long or short term, prior to closing on your new build. My team specializes in helping people do that, so if you want more info, just shoot me an email or give me a call. Settling concerns. One of the advantages of buying an existing home is that any settling or foundation issues have likely already occurred. You don't have to worry about potential problems in this regard, as the home has already undergone this process and should be structurally sound. Mature landscaping. Existing homes are often located in established neighborhoods with more mature landscaping. These neighborhoods have already been developed, providing a clear idea of the atmosphere and the ambiance. The mature landscaping not only adds curb appeal, but it also provides shade and privacy with established trees. Included appliances and more. Many existing homes come with included appliances, window treatments, blinds, shutters, ceiling fans, and garage door openers. These are items that you would typically need to purchase separately when you build a new home. This can help save on initial costs and make the move-in process more convenient. Character and upgrades. Existing homes often have unique character and charm that may be lacking in new construction homes. They may feature cellar-installed upgrades or premium elements like stone countertops, under-counter lighting, or other distinctive features. These details can add character and value to a home, making it stand out from newer properties. Now, when considering an existing home, these advantages make the buying process way more appealing and provide opportunities for customization and personalization. So now for some new construction homes. Let's talk about the cons. While new construction homes have their advantages, there are also some drawbacks that potential buyers should consider. Here are some cons of buying a new construction home. Appliances not included. Unlike existing homes, new construction homes often do not come with appliances included in the price. Buyers are going to need to purchase items like refrigerators, stoves, dishwashers, and washer and dryers separately, which can add significant costs. Number two, limited customization. Customization options for new construction homes can be limited. Buyers are often restricted to the design options and upgrades offered by the builder, with any changes or additional features coming at a premium price. Certain elements, such as window and door placements, may not be open to modification. Carpeted bedrooms. Many new construction homes come with carpeted bedrooms, which may not be desirable for some buyers. Carpet is harder to keep clean, it's less durable compared to other flooring options like wood or tile or hardwood. Lack of fixtures. New construction homes often lack ceiling fans and decorative light fixtures as part of the basic package. Buyers will need to purchase their own fixtures to add character and style to their home, as the builder's basic options tend to be plain and generic. No pull-down stairs. Attic access in new construction homes is typically limited to small openings without pull-down stairs. This can make it difficult to conveniently store items in the attic, especially larger pieces of furniture. No garage door openers. Most new construction homes do not include garage door openers, requiring homeowners to purchase and install them separately. The cost of these devices can be an additional expense for buyers. Basic builder grade finishes. Unless opting for higher end new builds, new construction homes often feature basic materials like, the basic countertops and cabinets. They lack style. They leave homeowners having to upgrade at their own expense. Discrepancies from the model home. The model home in a new construction community often showcases higher end finishes and features that may not be present in every home. This discrepancy can lead to disappointment for buyers who were expecting their new home to match the model that they saw on display. Lack of sprinkler system and mature landscaping. New construction homes typically do not come with a sprinkler system or mature landscaping, and buyers may need to purchase their own sprinkler system and wait for the landscape to grow and establish itself. It takes some time. Construction noise. When you build a new community, you're going to be dealing with ongoing construction and increased traffic in the area. The constant changes in the neighborhood can make it challenging to enjoy peace and quiet in your own home. You can see here, this is a vacant lot. There's lack of shade. New construction homes often lack mature landscaping, including trees and shrubs, both on the property and in the surrounding area. This means that there may be limited shade and privacy until the landscaping grows and develops. There's limited outdoor living space in a lot of these new homes. Many new construction homes come with like basic patios, no outdoor living space at all. Buyers may need to invest in their own screened-in rooms or patios if they want to enjoy the outdoors without insects and pests. So that could actually add to the overall cost too. And then you're dealing with the builder's contract. You know, new construction homes involve signing a contract with the builder, which is typically written in their best interests. There's usually little room for negotiation or customization of the contract. So buyers should be careful to review and understand everything on that contract before committing. Now, these cons highlight some of the potential drawbacks of buying a new construction home. Can you deal with them? If so, let's go talk about the pros next. All right, so let's get into talking about the pros of buying a new construction home. Now, while there are drawbacks to buying a new construction home, there are also many advantages that make it a desirable option for home buyers. Here are the 12 pros of buying a new construction home. Number one, customization options. One of the biggest benefits of buying a new construction home is the ability to customize the design and features. Buyers can work closely with the builder to choose the latest finishes, colors, flooring, and other elements to create their dream home. The ability to customize will vary from builder to builder and could also be dependent on community rules, but overall, you're gonna be able to get the latest, greatest when it comes to design features. Number two, modern amenities and technology. Now, new construction homes often come equipped with the latest amenities and technology, from efficient appliances to smart home systems. Buyers can enjoy the convenience and the efficiency of modern living. We all live with our phones attached to our hands. Now we can control everything from the lights to the door locks, all from the palm of our hand, even if you're on the other side of the planet. All part of many new construction homes. And I know exactly what each community offers and what each builder offers. Energy efficiency. Continuing on with energy efficiency, new construction homes are built with the latest energy efficiency code requirements and offer even more energy efficient options. They often incorporate features such as double pane windows and increased and upgraded insulation and high efficiency heating and cooling systems, which can lead to lower utility bills and a reduced environmental footprint. Some builders offer solar systems that are already built into the home. Warranty protection. New construction homes typically come with warranties that offer peace of mind for homeowners. These warranties can cover defects in construction, structural issues, and major systems, providing financial protection should any problems arise. Typically, these warranties will cover everything for like 2 years and then the structural for 10 years. Lower maintenance costs. Compared to older homes, new construction homes generally require less maintenance. With brand new appliances, plumbing, electrical systems, and roofing, homeowners can avoid the immediate cost of repairs and replacements. Safety standards. New construction homes are built to meet or exceed current safety standards and building codes. This means that they often have advanced fire suppression systems, improved insulation for fireproofing, and updated wiring and electrical systems to minimize potential hazards. New homes are move-in ready. Unlike purchasing an older home that may require renovations and updates like the one we saw, new construction homes are move-in ready. Buyers can avoid the hassle of the expensive renovations, allowing them to settle into their new home more quickly. So even though a new construction home may take a little while before it's ready to be moved into, you won't need to suffer through renovations and updates like you would in an existing home. Just bring your toothbrush and some furniture. Community amenities. Many new construction homes are part of planned communities that offer amenities as parks and playgrounds, community centers, and walking trails. These amenities can enhance the quality of life for homeowners and provide additional recreational opportunities. Some communities have even shopping centers with a grocery store and restaurants, all within walking or biking distance. Higher resale value. New construction homes tend to benefit from faster property value increases, more so than older homes, especially if you get into a community that's in the beginning stages. As the project goes on, the community continues to develop, bringing prices up, and if you decide to sell in 5 years, you'll most likely benefit from some nice appreciation. Advanced security features. New construction homes frequently include advanced security features such as pre-wired alarm systems, video doorbells, and secure entry systems. These features offer homeowners an added layer of protection and peace of mind. How about some financial incentives? Builders often provide financial incentives to attract buyers to new construction homes. These incentives can include discounts, closing cost assistance, or upgrades at no additional charge, helping buyers save money on their purchase. Community cohesion. Buying a new construction home in a newly developed community can create a sense of cohesion among neighbors. Since everybody's moving in and around the same time, there's often a shared excitement and opportunity to build relationships with fellow homeowners and neighbors. So you can see there are some nice advantages of buying a new construction home. Do the pros outweigh the cons? That's for you to decide. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in your quest to find the perfect home in Sebastian, Vero Beach, and the surrounding area. Remember, whether you choose the allure of a brand new construction home or the charm of an existing home, the decision ultimately comes down to what fits your unique needs and preferences. If you like what you're getting from my channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy house hunting, and may you find the home of your dreams in beautiful Sebastian, Vero Beach, Florida. Bye-bye.